Is mouth taping bad for you? Maybe you've seen one influencer posting about this before. They say it can fix sleep apnea, snoring, or even bad breath. But according to the Cleveland Clinic, most of this evidence does not exist. Could it even be putting you at risk? Same study says taping your mouth impairs your ability to breathe in full, deep breaths. One of the smarter moves that you can make is by visiting your doctor and bringing it up to him or her. If you've ever tried mouth taping or need to mouth tape someone else so you don't have to listen to them, let us know in the comments.